Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a super random video right now. It's not sit down, it's not fancy, it's not planned. I just got a bunch of Nordstrom packages in the mail and I was trying stuff on and I was like, why am I not showing them? So I ordered like a bunch of stuff from Nordstrom. I didn't realize what a good plus size section they have. This is not sponsored. I bought like a bunch of stuff. They have a good plus size section. It's like high quality stuff because I can buy Forever 21 and Boohoo all day, but sometimes I want like really quality pieces that are gonna like last me forever. So I was trying stuff on. I was just gonna put it on my Insta stories, but I was like why not just do like a little random vlog style haul? Okay, people. Once the weather gets good, people go crazy. So this is the first top here. This is actually the softest like denim shirt I've ever worn. Guys, this is so incredibly soft. I also got this candle. It's basil and peach. And it literally smells so good. I'll link everything down below. But like I have never worn a denim shirt that feels this soft. It's definitely long torso approved. It's not like too long, but it's really, really comfortable. Like it's not stretchy, it's like a normal denim shirt, but there's something about the material that just feels really, really good. And it's from Rebel Wilson. Then I got this really, really cute t-shirt from Lucky brand, and up here it says Lucky You, and it has a little hole cut out. I think this is really pretty. I just kind of like the way it looks. It's like a really pale blush. I like the little detailing here. Sized up. It's definitely got a lot of flow to it, but I always like to just do like a little side tuck in my pants. It's just like a weird thing I do, but I like this. It's like a cute, really, really comfortable t-shirt. I think it's cute. It's simple, but I like it. This shirt is really cute. This is from Lucky brand. It's kind of cool. It has kind of like a weird texture down here, a little bit of a lettuce cut under the chest. This is a 2X. I think everything else I got is a 2X for sizing reference, but I just think this is really pretty and cute for spring. It's a little bit longer in the back, but I don't know, I just thought it was like a cute little easy breezy spring blouse. And I love floral. And like the bottom undertone is almost like a blushy nude. It looks more nude on camera, but it has a little bit of a pinkish undertone, so I think it's really pretty. It's very Alex. I think this is super cute and super summery, so it's like an oversized, kind of like a beachy linen shirt, but it's really cool because in the back, so as you can see in the back bottom, it has like a little tie, and it's also like got an opening. You can't really see the openings, but I think I would wear like a tank top with it just to be sure. But I don't know, I just think it's really cute for the summer and the spring. It's really, really light, really airy, so it's easy to throw on, but you won't get like hot in it, so. And I like the different stripes. Cute. Blue and white stripes are such like a summer staple. Okay, so I had picked out this dress for Mother's Day. I think it's so freaking cute. So I love the colors in it. It's got like kind of a minty green, a peachy blush, white and gray. So the sleeves cinch at the bottom. Cinch. It's got a nice V-neck. It's not too like deep, but it's not too high. It's pretty much the perfect height, which I love. It's got that cinched waist. It's really, really flattering, so you get that really pretty kind of skater skirt vibe, and I just think it is really, really, really cute. I love this so much with some cute little wedges. I don't know, isn't it pretty? Perfect for spring. Wear it to like a baby shower, brunch, Mother's Day. Then we have these super cute pair of jeans. These are from Cut From The Cloth. They're really stretchy. Really, really comfortable. They look nice on the butt. I like that they have the little, you know, high-low at the bottom. This is like really trendy right now. One of my favorite kinds of jeans are from Cut From The Cloth. They're like actually one of my favorite brands. They're really like comfortable. And I have been wanting a pair that's like really, really dark wash and with the high-low cut. These are really comfy. They fit true to size. I definitely recommend these. Okay, next are these extremely cute shorts from City Chic. I love City Chic, they're a really good brand. So these are just some white high-waisted shorts. They have a nice stretch band at the top. They're really comfortable. They have a nice amount of flowiness to them without being like too much. A little draw waist tie. Kind of a cute little overlay. It's kind of like thicker than your average lace. I just think they're really, really pretty. And I love high-waisted shorts in the summer because you can like tuck shirts in, wear a crop top. They're just really pretty and summery. I love like some cute white shorts. Okay, so next I got this swimsuit, which is so cute. I just love it. So first of all, you might notice it has this little bow tie up at the top, and it also has it at the top of the bottom. I love this bathing suit top because it's really full coverage. You know, I don't feel like anything is like loose. That's what the back looks like. It's just a pretty standard little tie back. It's like the perfect amount of high-waisted. I feel like it looks really nautical and pretty and summery. I really like how it's just light and it's a nice material. It's really good quality. Ooh, I love this suit. Oh, I didn't even realize this is Tommy Bahama, if you're wondering, but everything will be linked down below. Okay, so you guys already know I have that pink floral robe that I wear in like all my weekly vlogs, but I just was really drawn to this robe. It just feels like something that Snow White would wear because it's so like long. I like low-key feel like I could wear this out with like wedges. Okay, anyway, I got this really beautiful satin robe, but it has like this really pretty detailing down it. It matches my nails and it's just so elegant and pretty, and it's such a comfortable material. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the one I have that I wear, it's Forever 21. It's not like the best material, but it's not like bad. But this one, you can just feel like the quality. It's really, really, really soft, but it's like breathable. And I just think it's really beautiful. I don't know. It's just so pretty. I couldn't resist. I don't know. I just love this robe. So I got a new robe. These are the 100% best leggings I have ever worn, ever. If you take away anything from this video today, please just splurge and buy these leggings. I know, I think they're like 50 bucks or something, but they are so good. I've heard hype about Zella leggings for like a really long time in like the straight size community, but I've never tried them in the plus community. These are not see-through at all. They're so opaque, but like they're so stretchy. They feel so good on. Like, I don't even know what else to say. They're just so amazing. I'm so glad that I decided to try these. Like, I need more, but they're just such good quality. They're like the best plus size quality leggings I've ever found, and I've tried them all, trust me. Okay, so I had a few more like random things that I bought. I'm gonna return this. So this was one of the Ashley Graham bras. I just thought it was like super pretty. It has this like little jewel in the center. It's nude and lacy. So I'm normally a 40C in like Torrid's bras, so I sized way up on this, and I got a 44C. And TBH, it fits, but it's really, really tight. So I'm gonna return this. If you decide to like shop this bra, because it is beautiful, size way up. So like I said, I'm a 40C in Torrid's bras, and the 44C was tight. Okay, so I also, I'm so excited about this. So you guys know MAC has like the Fix Plus spray, but this one I think has like a shimmery undertone. Guys, look how gorgeous. It's got like an iridescent tone. I'll spray myself in a second. And I posted about this on my Insta story. So this is called the Skin Gym, and it's like, I think an rose quartz roller for your face. So like you massage your face with this after you put your serums in, and it helps absorb much better. And it's like really good for your skin. You can use the little side for like around your eyes, this side for like your cheeks and forehead. I'm gonna try it out. I'll let you know how it is. I'll link it below, but I just think it was kind of cool and interesting. It's really trendy right now. I don't know if it's any good. I'll let you know. And then I picked up the Vita Liberata Luxury Tan Body Blur. It's kind of like a skin makeup, like nice for your legs. I got the shade Latte. And it's kind of like, I've been using the airbrush legs from Sally forever, and I love it, but I wanted to try this because I saw it on the site. So I'm hoping it's kind of like that. When the warmer weather gets here, I love putting stuff like this on my legs because I have a lot of like spider veins and stuff, and it just looks really pretty and tan. Okay, let's see how this looks. I'm dying to see. I love me some Fix Plus, so it just gave like this really pretty like pink iridescent glow when you spray it. So I think it'll be really pretty for summer, like putting it on like your chest and your shoulders, maybe even on your face, who cares? It's just so pretty. This is how the end of a real life haul goes. It's not glamorous. Like, I'm literally here like this. This is real life. This is how it looks when I don't try to make it all fancy. Okay, so this kind of dried down, but it has just like a tiny, do you see that kind of pink sheen? Like, it's totally dry. So I feel like you could wear this on your whole face and it would look really, really pretty in the summer, like kind of just glowy and fresh. So anyway, I know this was like super duper random, but I just was trying this stuff on. I was only gonna do it on Instagram, like I said, but I thought, why not make a little video? This is how it really goes at home. So hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want any of these items, they'll be linked down below. Thank you so much for the love and support. You guys are my whole world, and I really appreciate you watching. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. you.